Delhi International Airport Limited released a beta version of Digi Yatra for Android on Monday. The app will make check-in easier and faster at Terminal 3 of Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport. DigiYatra App allow paperless and contactless airport entry. The app will check the boarding pass holder's identity using facial features. Government statement: Delhi International Airport Limited installed the equipments needed at Terminal 3 of Delhi Airport and tested Digi Yatra. During the testing, over 20,000 passengers enjoyed a smooth and secure tripless. Passengers will be able to complete their biometric registration on the iOS app in the coming weeks. The app will launch in Varanasi and Bengaluru this month, followed by Pune, Vijayawada, Kolkata, Delhi and Hyderabad. Benefits of using DigiYatra app: Number 1. Contactless and paperless entry. Number 2. No ID or boarding pass required at every checkpoint. Number 3. Very less human involvement. Number 4. Less wait time. Number 5. The app will map the passengers with the PNR, enhancing security. Number 6. Only legitimate passengers will be allowed to enter. Number 7. The airport operator will have real-time access to data on passengers' volume.